Hello, and today I'd like to cover how to use entry in a Tinker Takinta um, uh, GUI. So, first of all, we're going to want to label. Entry is just another widget. So, for example, entry 1 can be our widget name, and then we just want to call up Takinta and say this is an entry widget. Now, of course, we're going to want to put it somewhere, so win, and we aren't going to have any text inside the entry, and because you don't really need that, but that should be almost everything you need for an entry. So if we do this and entry one for the pack, boom, and we throw that up, here we go. Now we have a little text box we can enter stuff into. Amazing.